Hello, everyone. I am teacher Nilda Bazan, and today we are going to have a look at Unit 4 to talk about possessions. I'm going to show you what will you learn today. Today, you will learn to ask about possessions using demonstratives. So let's get started. I'm going to show you something. This is my bag. This bag is special because it was a present from my father. And today, I am going to show you what's in my bag. So let's see. In my bag, I have a book. This is a book. In my bag, I also have pens. So these are pens. In my bag, I also have a wallet. So that is a wallet. And finally, I have my keys. Those are keys. I want you to have a look at the words this, that, these, those. Let's have a look at them. This, that, these, and those are demonstratives. What are demonstratives? Well, demonstratives show when an object, event, or person is in relation to the speaker. So, I'm going to show you. Look. When something is near, but it's only one object, I mean singular, like the book, I am going to use the word this. This is a book. It's only one object and it's near, no distance. When I have more than one object, like the pens over here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 pens, and they are near, okay? I am going to use the word these. These are pens. But what happens if there is a distance? If they are far? Okay, look at this. When one object is far from us, I mean it's singular, we are going to use the word that, like the wallet. That is a wallet because there is a distance. But if I have more than one object, I mean plural, like the keys, I am going to use the word those. Those are keys because there is a distance. And I have 1, 2, 3 keys. All right. So I'm going to show you some examples, but I want you to help. Look, a water bottle, right? It's one object and it's near. Do you remember what is the word that we use when we have one object near? Great. We use this. This is a water bottle. Let's see one more example. Look, I have sunglasses and they are near. So do you remember what is the word that we use for plural? Near? Yes, great. We use these. These are my sunglasses. Great job. Let's see some other examples. I have headphones, but there is a distance between me and the headphones, so the headphones are far. Do you remember what is the word that we use when I have some objects far from me? Yes, we use those. Excellent. And finally, I have a cell phone, right? But there is also a distance. Do you remember what is the word that we use when I have one object and it's far from me? Yes, we use that. That is my phone. Great job. All right. Now, I'm going to ask you some questions. Let's have a look. Look, I have one object and it's near. Look at my question. Is this a water bottle? What do you think? No, it isn't, right? No, it isn't. It's a book. Excellent. I have another question for you. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 objects. So look at my question. Are these pens? What do you think? Yes, they are. Great job. All right, let's see another one. Okay, look, I have one object. There is a distance. Look at my question. Is that your wallet? What do you think? Yes, it is. Great job. And finally, all right, you have some objects. There is a distance. Look at my question. Are those books? What do you think? No, they aren't, right? They are keys. Great job. Okay, now it's time to practice. What are we going to do now? We are going to identify if the objects are near or far. Look, this is my bag, okay? The object is bag, only one, and we have this. So what do you think? Is the object near or far? Do you remember? Yes, it's near. We use this when one object is near. Great job. Let's see another one. Are those your sunglasses? What do you think? Those, are they near or far? They are? What do you think? Great, they are far. We use those to talk about when some objects are far from us, right? Excellent. What about number 3? Is that book interesting? What do you think? Is the book near or far? Great. The book is far. Excellent job. Let's see the next one. These keys are not mine. What do you think? Are the keys near or far? They are near. Great. Let's see the next one. Are these your notebooks? What do you think? Are these your notebooks? Are the notebooks near or far? Yes, again, they are near. Great job. And finally, is this your water bottle? What do you think? Near or far? It's near. Great. And we have one more. Those are my headphones. What do you think? The headphones, are they near or far? Yes, definitely. They are far. Great job. Great. Let's see some other exercises. Look, we are going to complete using this, that, these, or those. Look. All right. We have a sentence. It's incomplete. It says, books are not in the bookcase. We have the books over here, and there is a distance. There is a distance. So what word do you think that matches this sentence? Yes, great job. Those, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plural. And there is a distance. They are far from us. So those. Excellent. All right, now we have headphones, but look, no distance. They are near. So what do you think? Headphones are new. I bought them yesterday. So how can you complete it? Yes, Great. These headphones are new. Okay, another one. We have a bus pass. But somebody's holding the bus pass, right? And there is no distance. It's only one thing. So what do you think? Is my brother's bus pass? Yes, great job. This is my brother's bus pass. Great job. And let's see one more exercise. We have a water bottle. It says, water bottle is beautiful. We have one object, but there is a distance. It is far. So, what do you think? Great. That water bottle is beautiful. Great job. All right, what are we going to do now? We are going to open our books to page 47. And we are going to work on the following activities together, okay? Let us start with activity D. It says, match the questions and answers. There can be more than one correct answer, okay? So we have questions and also we have answers. Let's have a look at the first one as an example, and then I'm going to give you some time for you to do this activity, okay? Look at number 1. Is this your pen? What do you think is the correct answer? Letter A, yes, they are. Letter B, no, it isn't. Letter C, yes, it is. Or letter D, no, they aren't. What do you think? Yes, of course, we have 2 possibilities. For the question 1, our answer can be letter B, no, it isn't, but also, yes, it is, which is letter C. I'm going to give you some seconds for you to do this activity. Otherwise, you can pause the video until you finish, and then we can check our answers together. Go ahead. All right. Can we start checking? Great. Number 2, are those your keys? What do you think? Great. We have 2 possibilities as well. We can answer yes, they are, or no, they aren't. Let's see the next one. Number 3, are these your glasses? What's your answer? Yes, we have 2 possibilities again. We have yes, they are, or no, they aren't. And finally, number 4, is that your dictionary? Yes, we can answer no, it isn't, or yes, it is. Great job. Okay, let's have a look at the following activity. Activity E, we have to complete the questions and answers. Okay? Let's have a look at number 1 as an example. It says far. Okay, we have something far, and also have glasses. Glasses. So do you remember that we use those when we have plural and there is a distance, right? Yes, right, of course. So are those your glasses? And the answer, no, they aren't, right? Let's see one more example. In number 2, we also have far, but in this case, we have a book, your book, only one object. Do you remember what is the word that we use when we have one object, but it's far from us? Yes, we use that. So the question will be, is that? Perfect. So is that your book? And your answer? What do you think? Yes? Yes, it is. Great job. Okay. Again, I'm going to give you some seconds for you to complete the activities, or you can pause the video, and then when you finish, you can check your answers with us. Okay? Go ahead. Okay. Can we check? Yes. All right. For number 3, we have the word near. And also we have your wallet, one object. So when something is near and I have only one object, we use this. So the question will be, is this your wallet? And your answer, no. No, it isn't. Great job. Excellent. In number 4, we have also near, but in this case, we have something plural, your keys. Great. In this case, the question will be, are these? And your answer, are these your keys? Your answer will be no. No, they aren't. Excellent. And finally, we have number 5. We have far, and we have your bags. Plural. Far, we use those, right? So are those your bags? And your answer, yes, they are. Excellent. There is something else that we are going to work on page 47. Look at this. But these activities are going to be assigned for homework. It means that you have to work on that on your own. I'm going to explain to you. Look, activity F. You are going to work in pairs in class, okay? You will have to tell your partner what is in your bag. Of course, you have to use demonstratives. So, what are you going to do before you go to class? You are going to make a list. And you are going to see what is in your bag. And you are going to make a list of everything you have in there. For example, this is my pen. These are my keys. This is my wallet. So you are going to bring your list to the class and you are going to tell your partner, what do you have in your list? Okay? That is activity 1 that you are going to work on your own. I'm going to show you one more activity that you have to prepare. Look, that activity is the goal check, which is to ask about possessions. In this case, you will play a game in small groups in class. Each student puts 4 objects from your bags in the middle of the table. So what are you going to do? Student 1 asks student 2 about one object. For example, is this your pen? Is this your pen? And your partner will have to answer, yes, it is, or no, it isn't. If the answer is yes, you got a point. 1 point for you. But if the answer is no, you have 0 points. And then you will have to repeat the activity with activity 3 and so on. Okay? For example, look, you will have to prepare, this is a recommendation for you. You will have to prepare the objects and questions to play with your classmates in class. Okay? Look, for example, bring your book, put it in the middle of the table and ask, is this your book? If your partner says yes, you got a point. If your partner says no, you got 0 points. Of course, at the end, who has the most point is the winner. Okay? So enjoy. All right, to sum up, what have you learned today? Today, we have learned about demonstratives. We said that they show where an object, event, or person is in relation to the speaker. And it depends on the distance, right? If they are near or they are far. They also depend on if they are singular or plural, right? For example, if we have one object and the object is near, we use this, like in the question that you see. Is this a book? When something is one object, singular, but it's far, we use that. Like in the example, that is a wallet. When something is plural and it's near, we use these. These are pens. But if something is plural, but there is a distance, we use those. Are those kids? Those are demonstratives. I hope you have learned something new today, and I hope that you can enjoy the next class. See you in another opportunity. Goodbye.